Hello guys, welcome back to LearnWeb. In this video we are going to see how to use hyperlink in HTML website. So to use hyperlinks in HTML we have a tag, means anchor tag. So let's see the syntax of a tag. So in a tag we write href, means hyperreference, equals to double quotes, and inside of double quotes we will write link of the page that we want to refer. Okay friends, by default the link in HTML is blue colored and is underlined. However, you can change it. Let's see the implementation of a tag. For that I am opening my Sublime Text 3. So as you can see, this is my simple HTML page. Here I am giving a title to this page, HTML hyperlink tutorial. Okay, and inside of body tag I am using a tag href, that for hyperreference, equals to double quotes, and inside of double quotes I am using a link, let's say Amazon. So here, and inside this a tag I am giving a text as a visible part. So Amazon. Let's save this file and run this index.html file. Okay, so here you can see my link on the screen. So when I click on this particular text, this will take me to the Amazon web page. So let's click here. You can see this is Amazon web page. So in this way you can use HTML hyperlinks. Okay, and if you notice, then this link is blue colored and underlined. That is by default. You can change it. So let's do some changes in this link. So I don't want that this particular link has a underline. Okay, so I will use internal CSS here. So style tag here, a tag, and inside of a tag I will write text decoration, and I am giving the value none to text decoration. Okay, now save this file and refresh the browser. So you can see now my link is not underlined. Now do some more changes. Okay, so font size 20 pixel. Okay, color suppose red. Okay, save, refresh the browser. Okay, here you can see now my link is red color and the font size of this link is 20 pixel. So friends, in HTML we have two type of list, local list and absolute links. So now let's talk about target attribute of hyperlinks. Target attribute provides a facility that where we want to open our link page. If you want to open your linked page in a new window or a new tab, then you will give the blank value to target attribute. And if you want to open your link in the same window or same tab, then you will give the self value to target attribute. Similarly, you will give the top value to target attribute to open your linked page in the full body of window. So now let's see the implementation of target attribute. So in starting a tag after hyperreference link, I'll write target. Okay, then equals to double quotes. Now I want to open Amazon website in a new tab. So here I will give the blank value to target. Now save this file again and refresh your browser. Okay, so click Amazon. Here you can see the Amazon web page is opening in a new window. Here, okay, so let's change the target value again. Self, save, refresh browser. Now click. Here you can see now Amazon web page is opening in the same window. In this way you can use another value of target attributes. So now let's talk about the last topic of this video, is how to use HTML hyperlinks as a bookmark. Suppose you have a long website page and inside that page you want to search a particular section, then you can use hyperlink as a bookmarks. So let's see how to use hyperlink. So after a tag I am giving here a paragraph, so we tag, okay, this is first paragraph. After paragraph I am writing a heading, okay, para 2, again a paragraph, okay, again a heading, para 3, this is a paragraph, okay, heading, para 4, para 5. Okay, now save this and refresh the browser. Now this is a large web page, and in this page I want to search the particular section, suppose para 4. So for that I can use bookmark, and for bookmark I will use ID. So in H4 here I am giving an ID, this is para 4 ID, okay, and after a tag I am using another link, and which is search para 4, okay, and as a hyper reference I am giving the ID of para 4. So this is para 4 ID. Save this file, refresh your browser. Here you can see this is my second link. When I click on this link I will refer to the para 4, okay, so click here, you can see this is my para 4. In this way you can use HTML hyperlink as a bookmark. So friends, that's all for this video. Thank you. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share this video and subscribe our channel Learn Well.